Hello and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be changing a battery on a BMW 3 Series key fob. Couple of symptoms: it keeps saying that the key is missing, or it's flashing up saying that the battery needs changing in the key fob. So first thing, I'm going to remove the integrated key from the back. Just like that. And I'm going to take the key, show you this. So this is the one it came out of, this side. So what I'm going to do is place it in this side, and I'm going to prise it open. There you go. Pop. It should just release now. And there's the battery. This is a 2450. I've just got a pack of these from Halfords. To get this out, you can see there's a little gap there. So all I'm going to do, I've got a little tiny key here, and all I'm going to do is push that in. And that should release it for you. I'm going to take the new battery out. And I'm going to place that in the case, slide it downwards, and then close it. Should just pop back in. There you go. Place the key back in. Done. So we're in the car. I'm just going to see how it reacts, whether it's lost its code or not. So let's turn that on. Doesn't seem to be any issues so far, so let's try and start it up. If you have lost your code, it says in the manual that you should hold it here. Can you see this section here? Let's try and get that. There's a little key. It says a little key, so hold it for 10 seconds and try and start it whilst the key is there. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and subscribe.